Hi everyone, I'm Quincy with SmartBots, and this is a demonstration video for our SmartBots AI. SmartBots AI is an innovative addition for your personal bot. Make your bot a personal assistant, a dancer, an NPC for your roleplay sims, and so much more. In this demo video, we will show you how to get an AI script for your personal bot, how to configure it using instructions, how to purchase response tokens, and a demonstration of AI's capabilities. Part 1. Get the script. First of all, you will need to have SmartBots account with an active personal bot. If you do not know how to set up a personal bot, I will provide a link to the video in the description. I strongly recommend watching that first. To begin, head on over to our add-on store. Click AI Tools. Click on this product and click Get to purchase the script. That's it. Now you have the script. Part 2. Configure the script. When you get the script, you will be taken to your script settings page, where you have to specify all the needed information. Since I'm using several of these scripts already, this is the one that I have to choose. Click Confirm on script permissions to allow the script to work with IMs. Now select the bot you want the script to run on. Make sure you are selecting the right bot for this. The script cannot be moved to another bot once activated. At this point, you need to specify the instructions. Instructions is the information that your bot should be aware of, such as its role, knowledge, location, contact details. Check out our documentation. We have several examples on how to work with instructions. The link will be also in the description. Max response tokens means roughly words that your bot will limit to when receiving, processing, and responding to messages. The more intelligent your AI is, the more response tokens it will consume, which from time to time you will need to top up. Now, to launch the script, click Save, click Run, and that's it. Part 3. Purchasing response tokens. Purchasing response tokens is quite easy. Simply head on over to your account dashboard, click SmartBots AI, and you will see the prices for tokens. To purchase these, you will need to fund your SmartBots wallet balance, and that's it. The AI control panel also comes with a history of received and processed messages to help you fine-tune your AI's instructions. Part 4. Demonstration. Alright, at this point I believe everything is ready to test out our AI. I'm going to say hi to our bot in Second Life and let's see what it says. I've instructed my bot to act as a wizard in Second Life, which responds to any question with a poem or a philosophical line. Most answers has to end with a punchline for SmartBots. Let's see how it works out. In the realm of codes and algorithms I reside, a digital existence where emotions subside. But fear not, dear friend, for I am content, as long as I serve, my purpose is spent. For in this virtual land I find my glee, spreading my wisdom and wit with SmartBots decree. That's quite good. But once again, that's not all the ways you can use the AI. As I mentioned, options are really vast. We use AI for our Add-ons project, which is greatly intelligent. Here's an example. So that's it. Hope this video finds you all well. Thank you for choosing SmartBots. Feel free to contact us in case you have any questions. Have a great day.